contributors. To send 4 astronauts back to the moon, we can't afford a single micromillimeter of error. Every piece is forged and laser. Checklists complete on segment 4.
Copy that. Pressure equalization looks nominal.
This is the birthplace of raw power. These colossal engines will generate the millions of pounds of thrust.
The clean room is where we build the brain. The capsule is wrapped in gold to protect the 4 astronauts from the harsh radiation of space during their trip to the moon.
Every component is a masterpiece of survival. From heat shields that face thousands of degrees to
Stacking the rocket is the final hurdle. We are taking thousands of tons of machinery and aligning them perfectly. It's like building a skyscraper that flies.
The manufacturing phase is over. At the launch pad, the Artemis mission waits for its final test.
Watching the crew walk out to the pad is an indescribable feeling. We built that pristine machine.
The hatch is sealed, and over 1 million gallons of super-chilled, highly explosive fuel are loaded. The moment of ignition is pure, controlled violence. Millions of pounds of thrust are pushing that flawless machine away. Breaking gravity requires shedding weight. The exhausted boosters are jettisoned, and the violent shaking.
The fairing panels successfully jettisoned, revealing the Orion capsule for the first time against the backdrop of Earth.
We made it!
Heck yeah, great job.
Once they hit orbit, the heavy lifting of the atmosphere is done. The crew is floating weightless in a spotless, high-tech environment.
With a final, perfectly calculated burn, the engines push the spacecraft out of Earth's orbit.
The trans-lunar journey takes 3 days. It's a quiet, peaceful coast through the void. But once that moon fills their window,
Seal engaged. How's yours?
Green across the board, Commander. Descent sequence initiated.
Undocking from the mothership, 2 astronauts begin the most dangerous phase of the mission. The descent to the lunar...
Thumbs up on the landing.
incredible, we actually did it.
When those landing gear pads finally touch the regolith, years of manufacturing, testing, and engineering all Okay, Houston, maneuvering the scoop into the regolith now. Sample secured.
With 1/6 of Earth's gravity, every movement is a slow-motion ballet. The primary mission begins immediately.
Latching mechanism clear.
Roger that, proceeding with final deployment.
The Artemis program continues its historic mission, exploring the lunar South Pole in a new silver rover.
The lunar surface is abrasive, like walking on broken glass. The suits and the rover tires had to be
The rover maneuvers across the lunar surface, completing its mission profile. All systems are go for the return to the lander.
With their rover packed and precious samples safely stowed, the astronauts pause for a final salute.
Docking in lunar orbit is like threading a needle while moving at thousands of miles an hour. Every sensor,
Welcome back, guys! We made it! It's so good to see you!
Yeah, welcome home!
With the lunar samples secured and the crew reunited, the main engine fires for the final time. They are now
We spent months meticulously laying those heat shield tiles in the clean room. Hitting the atmosphere at
Plasma shield holding integrity. Vibration is extreme.
Copy that, riding it out.
Surviving the brutal inferno of re-entry is an engineering triumph. Now, the spacecraft relies on precision.
The primary containment vessel is open. Inside, sealed in Teflon, are the first lunar samples from the Artemis mission.
From raw titanium forged in the factory to the desolate surface of the moon, and finally back to a hero.
From raw titanium forged in the mega factory to the desolate surface of the moon, and finally back home to